Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide your photos from Facebook timeline. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app. Here you can see your profile photo. Just tap on that. After that, scroll a little down to that photo which you want to do private. So here I can see the three dots. Tap on it. Now you can see edit privacy, and here tap on see more, and here you can do only me. If you want to show to friends, you can tap on friend. If you want to do friends except, you have to select some of the friends which you want to show the photo. So this is how you can easily edit privacy from your Facebook profile photos or other photos from your timeline. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and guys please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future.